Hi guys, welcome back. On the second video of digits in place value, my arts education for 11 plus maths. This time I've given you the digits as well, and I would like you to make the largest number, second largest, smallest, and the second smallest number using these 4 digits. So I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to give you a couple of minutes to work this out, then you're ready for the answers. Then I'm going to tell you this quicker technique to work this out. Right, so I'm pretty sure you've reached this stage. The largest is 8531, just writing the largest digits, then one after that, then one after that, one after that in the order, and the smallest is just changing this other way around, 1358. Okay, how would you write second largest quickly? Because it's a 4-digit number, because 4 different digits, guys, you're going to write first 2 digits as it is, 8 and 5. What you have to do is swap 3 and 1 as 1 and 3. And similarly for the second smallest, write the first 2 digits as it is and swap the last 2 digits, 85. Okay, the extension, if I ask you to write the third largest digit number, using the same digits, what are you going to do? So once again, give you a minute to work this out. Okay, so the largest is 8531, and if I have to write the second largest, I write the first 2 digits as it is and swap the last 2 to write 8513. Third largest would be, guys, the technique here is, what you need to do is from the largest, just swap the first 2 digits this time. I know it's simple, but sometimes we tested on this, and speed is important and accuracy is important in 11 plus, so that's why we're learning. Now we come on to the second type of questions on digits in place value, and the question goes like this. One of the very popular questions in 11 plus is about the number cards. They give you a few number cards. They ask you to do some arrangements, make some numbers using these number cards. Okay, I'm going to ask you first is using these number cards or these digits to make a number which is closest to 80,000. Okay, now what comes to mind in my experience, people think that they have to start the number with 8. Okay, so I don't know if that's going to be correct, but we check what are the possibilities. If you write 8 first and you want closer to it, it will be 83579. This is 83,000, round it to 80,000, fairly close. But in this case, people, you know, there will be a number which is closer to 80,000 and smaller than 80,000 as well. That could be 79, now 853. This is the closest one. So my advice is check always. The number which is closest to 80,000 could be bigger than that or smaller than that, both. And the next type of questions, we give you 2 digits to be filled up here using these 5 cards and 1 from here. Obviously you can't repeat a card. And we like to find the answer of this multiplication, which is the smallest. Okay, I'll give you a chance to try this. I'm going to pause the video, work out and give me the answer, check with mine. Okay, easiest thing and the quickest thing which comes to mind to the students of 10-year-old, that they start writing the smallest digits. Obviously they know they're going to use 3, 5 and 7, and then 35 times 7. And then I advise them to write 37 times 5, or what is the other possibility we can write this 3 is? I've written 7 in this place, I've written 5 in this place, I'm going to write 3 in this place. So that will be 75 times or 57 times 3. 3 possibilities, work it out, and let's see which one is more. Then I'll tell you the technique for this. And there you go, these are the answers. And guys, look very, very carefully. So the technique here is, if you want to find the smallest number, you write the smallest number over here. That means 3 should come here. And then the smallest number of the remaining 2 digits should come here, 57. This generally works. Obviously try all the options if you have time, but this one is generally which is correct. Okay. Now similarly, what do we do if you have to find this largest answer using these 3 digits? Try again. Largest answer using cards from these digits from these cards. Okay, let's give it a pause. So I know I will have to use the 3 largest digits this time, 7, 8 and 9. make few combinations, see if that technique works. I want to find the largest answer. So should I use the largest in the first place or largest over here? Work it out. Let's check if your answer works, matches with mine. Right, here are the 6 answers. And once again, you see that this comes out as the largest number. So generally, most of the time it works that you write the largest of the digits you can use over here. Then from the remaining 2 digits, you work out the largest number there, 87. Thank you very much, people. We come back with you with some more videos on different topics with 11+. Happy learning, everyone. I hope you can see what we're doing here. Okay. Thank you very much. Bye.